2010 Yamaha Nytro MTX. Got the little heavier duty front bumper on it, skid plate. It's got the, I think they're called plus 3A arms, box floats. I believe it's with us with a 162 2.5. It's got the aftermarket running boards, mountain addiction rails on it. It's got an MCXpress turbo, just the 190 kit. Actually quite clean. It's got Pro Taper fat bars on it with a tether and boost gauge, air fuel gauge. Of course, this is the 1049 3-cylinder, 4-stroke, fuel injected. It's got 6,000 miles on it. Of course, electric start, reverse, hand and thumb warmers.